chilling to do. This year the Queen Quet coming to Hunter from Riverland, South Kakalaki. Yeah, Hunter chilling. Y'all ain't yet me say that before now and anything like that. Oh yeah, cause you know this going to be we first time celebrating Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week right here in Ridgeland. Yeah, Hunter chilling. What you know about that? Okay, Jasper County, South Kakalaki used to be part of Beaufort County, South Kakalaki and things like that. So yeah, this year the Gullah Geechee too. For all of we, you know how we do. So some of the Hunter children probably wonder, well, what are you going to do down there in Redwood? We going to be right here at this your place and things like that. That some of the Hunter children might know and first know there and things like that. This year the Morris Center for Lowcountry Heritage. Well, look here. You know one thing? They got exhibit that Hunter children need for see. That's why you need to be here August 1st with me. The thing started 5 p.m. and guess what? It's free. You see right here? We're going to do through the eyes of the Gullah Geechee plantations of the low country. So, ain't going to be 100 children think. Then again, if Hunter know about me, you probably don't think something. Y'all see, Queen go crack your teeth but the plantation? Yeah, I have to get it that. For true, that's what you need to do. Now, if Hunter want to come to this year, you have to either call you to the Morris Center, okay, or go on Eventbrite. We done got the event right up there. Through the eyes of the Gullah Geechee plantation of the low country. Throw me Google, it come right up on Eventbrite, and then you have to sign up and things like that. Because this ain't a no big place, it's a Lily place. So don't just run up in here with a whole busload of people, and then when the people say, well, we done full, then you want to get vexed and things like that. And we to tell you now, wine on, get your pass and thing, and join we. I going to have book and CD signing and everything that day. So it's going to be a good time, a good evening, learning about who we be, but seeing these plantations from the eyes of we. So Hunter children know what's going on. If Hunter there with me, this year the Queen Quet, head on the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation. So glad that you joined me here in Ridgeland, South Kakalaki. But guess what else? I gotta go to this meeting now, down the road a piece, get this proclamation for the Gullah Geechee Nation. All Hunter children, y'all come here, join we in Jasper County. Well, how Hunter children to do? Yeah, we done did ya now. We did at the Clementa Pavement building. Now, plenty of Hunter children probably ain't first know this year and things like that. But this year, the way we senator, God bless the day, were been assassinated in Emmanuel AME, the raise up at and things like that. Now it's a blessing, because even the government building got a name on it. The church down the street got a memorial to him. Plenty of people now know his name. So a living in vain. We have to still continue to hold up the light and do what's right. So throughout Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week, what we go on inside to get this proclamation for, we want you to keep that in your mind and things like that. And do what he would do and give service to the community too. Now for all the 100 children who wonder what's going to be going on, not only I going to deal you August the 1st, 5 p.m. at the Morris Center, but also if you want to keep up with the other rest of things going on, follow we at Gullah Geechee, at GullahGeecheeNation.com, and Gullah Geechee Nation from Facebook. It's going to be a time for truth. Let we go inside and see what they want to do.
This time, I will recognize Queen Quet of the Gullah Geechee Nation. If you want to come on forward, we have this time I would motion to recognize the Gullah Geechee Nation by proclamation reading, whereas it is appropriate to recognize the importance of bringing awareness and appreciation for this rich culture and history in order to increase understanding of all of the contributions the Gullah Geechee have given to our area, and whereas the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival moves to various parts of the Gullah Geechee Nation and the African diaspora each year to educate the world about and to celebrate the continuation of the Gullah Geechee traditions, and whereas the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival will be the culmination of Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week, and whereas a series of activities will take place throughout Jasper County to honor the history and legacy of the Gullah Geechee Nation and are part of the United Nations Decade of People of African Descent, and whereas Jasper County joins in celebrating the lives of Gullah Geechees that have left such a rich legacy in our county, region, and nation by joining in with the theme this year, healing the land and holding for the children. I'll let you phrase that more accurately. Now therefore be it resolved that Jasper County Council does hereby recognize the 2019 Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival and proclaim the week of July 27th to August 4th, 2019 as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week in Jasper County, and encourages its citizens to participate in educational activities aimed at increasing both knowledge and appreciation of this rich culture. Do I hear a motion?
So moved, Mr. Chairman.
All right. All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Congratulations. We have pronounced it that the Gullah Geechee Week, and if you would like to say a few words, we would be happy to hear from you.
All right. Thank you, Jasper County Council. I'm so glad to be back here one more again and things like that. And we're especially glad to get Councilwoman Clark. I want to say something.
I want to tell her, hold up for that. That needs to be put in a frame.
Okay, all right. Oh, so in other words, you want me to leave them here? I want with this here this evening. I won't be bringing back on.
You can take that one with
Okay.
you, but we're going to...
You'll give me the true one.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. When the church member put his hand up, I knew there was something going on. Okay. I think when I broke over there in the spiritual a while ago when you been to preach, I said, they called me for prayer preach. I've been ready now. So yeah, so glad to be here one more again and things like that. And when we first started with this celebration, and I asked the chairman and things like that, you wanna wave one hat, they ain't been ready yet. Y'all ain't been ready yet. Y'all ain't been fussing this pretty building yet. But we don't get to this your point and things like that. So I'm glad to say August 1st, 5 p.m. in Morris Center. I going to do it this year. For the other rest of people who have come here and things like that, and understand me called talk on August the 1st, 2019 at 5 p.m. I will be at your Morris Center this year. And so we'll be having part of our celebration right here finally in Jasper County for sure. We hope all of you will be there that evening, and I'm going to do a presentation called Through the Eyes of the Gullah Geechee Plantations of the Lowcountry, which will be coupled with, of course, the new exhibition Beyond the Oaks that you have here, which is an outstanding exhibition actually. And so I'm very proud that our Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week proclamation is coming in the frame, but I will take this one with me and everything, and it's definitely official, and we truly appreciate you here in Jasper County. Even though you broke off from me in Beaufort, we still love you. All right? And so we're so happy once again. So thank you for all the work you're doing. This is wonderful.